Here's a little video of two boys that are unspoken for, Louie and Squirt. Louie, I'm still evaluating him, so he's not available to reserve yet. And Squirt is available to reserve. And I'm trying to get a video of just those two, but Huey and Dewey here just woke up and they're eager to play, so. But these two are the ones I was trying to show. Guys, get out of the litter box. Let's see. Come here. Come here. Come play out here. Squirt is a little sleepy. The other kids are taking a nap. We're crate training, so they're doing well. I just wait for them to go in there, and when they're all piled in, I just close the door. And it's the only place that there's a bed in this play area, so they like their crate pretty well, unless they're eager to play, which they don't need to be in the crate at that time anyway. Squirt, wake up! Sometimes they just like to play in the litter box. I don't know why. Come here, Squirt. Squirt is pretty playful, but like I said, I just woke him up, so I could take a video. The other three brothers are George's puppies, and they are just eager to play. It's the first time they've been together. Everybody's with their moms at night and throughout the day, but I take the moms out when I record videos. And Pumpkin and Rosie are mostly not in here because they are weaned. The puppies are weaned, but as you may have seen in different videos, they will happily nurse if the moms allow them. Come on, come on. Squirt is actually, or at least he was, like a few tenths of an ounce bigger than these two guys, the two long coats. The long coats look really fluffy. Or they are really fluffy, so they look bigger than they actually are. So I think Squirt would do fine in most any home. He does show some dominance sometimes, but not in an obnoxious way. He plays fine with most of the puppies, or I would say all the puppies. Just sometimes he just decides he's gonna be dominant over them, and then they just keep playing. It's not a real dramatic event. So if you're interested in Squirt, he is available now. He's 8 weeks and he's had his first puppy shots and dewormer and is ready to go. If you're interested, please fill out a puppy application if we don't have one on file for you already. You can read more about him on our website, littlepromiseland.com, and I'll put the link below. We are in Missouri, but we do have a few options for transport, depending on where you are. You can read about that on our website as well. Squirt is Rosie's long coat boy. What are you doing, Squirt? I don't remember if I showed him in a different video or not, but this is Squirt. In case you saw the video I just posted yesterday, one of the videos, Huey has been reserved. He's the one that was originally available, but now Squirt is available instead. Puppies. Puppies. Hi. Hi. In case you're wondering why I like to crate train, it's just such a great potty training tool because when they wake up from their nap, most of them will need to go potty. So for potty training, it's a great opportunity to take them to wherever you want them to go potty, whether it's a litter box or a potty pad or outside, because you know that when they wake up, they most likely have to go potty. So I really recommend crate training as a tool, a temporary tool until your puppy learns where he or she is supposed to go potty, and also for travel. If they're used to a crate and you need to put them in a crate to go on an airplane or car ride to the vet, for example, then they're used to it and they like their crate. And then if you decide to have them sleep in your bed or wherever, that's totally fine. But I just think it's a helpful thing to do when you first get a puppy. And this crate is way too big for a puppy. I would get the smallest one. I think it's like 19 inches long. Uh-oh. And sometimes for crate training, even the smallest one is too big. If they potty in there thinking they have enough space, sometimes I'll put a box, or my latest idea is like 2-liter bottle in the crate with them. Just that's if a puppy potties in their crate because they feel like they have space to do that, because normally they don't want to potty where they sleep. So anyways, there's your puppy video for today.